Hi everybody, welcome back. So I thought I'd show off the next car I'm going to build. So this is Atlantis 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham. It's a very simple kit. There's, what do they call it? Curbside, so there's no engine in this kit. It comes completely modeled in red. I'm going to show the pieces off. You can see some of them in the background. It's 1/25th scale, skill level 2. A little bit of the box art here. And it actually does come with, not much on the back here. It actually does come with 2 people with it. I'll show you those in a second, but essentially the instructions are 6 total steps, and the last step is for the people. So 5 total steps to build a car. I should be able to do this. There's a little photo of the people done. They actually look kind of scary. I'm probably not going to use the people. Anyway, so yeah, 57 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham. The Brougham was actually one of my dad's favorites Cadillac styles. My dad always, for as long as I can remember, my dad had always had a Cadillac, and he always had a Brougham. So that was his favorite one. Anyway, so here we are. Here's all the pieces. And yeah, like I said, there's not much to this car, and it's all molded on the bottom. This actually comes apart. It's in 2 pieces. I just kind of have it sitting together snugly. Yeah, there's not much to this. Here's the interior. Haven't decided what color to go with yet for any of this. I'm not going to do the box art or what they suggest. I may do something different, but essentially what I am trying to figure out whether I can do this or not. So what I would like to be able to do is actually glue the two halves, so this body comes apart like this, which is going to be a major pain to fix the seals on this, or seams on this, not the seals, the seams, so you don't see them. But what I'd like to be able to do is glue both of these pieces together, and what I'm hoping to be able to do is slide that into place so I can actually paint all of this as paint the body as one piece instead of 2 separate pieces. Especially, I mean, if you look at the way this is done, let's see if I can get this. Here we go. That's a little better. You can see, and that's a nasty mold line. Right, and then it has these pieces here that kind of go on this, sort of like that. All right, so they kind of go on there on both sides. So I'm really hoping that I can put all of this work together as one unit, paint it, and then slip the interior into it. Yeah, very simple kit, not much to it. I'll probably strip all the chrome off of this and repaint them with chrome. The windshields look really good. There's no cracks in it, so that should go pretty well. It does have a hard top. Looks like looks like there might be some smudge or something. So this will have to get washed first, obviously, before I do anything with it. Make sure some of that stuff comes off of it. Differential. This is kind of how it came out of the box. Half on, half off. And These are the tires. I'll have to paint those. One of the seats. So this is the front seat. And then the side door panels. And you can see there's like some scratches and stuff in here. So, you know, dashboard. Dash is really very simple. And then from what I could tell, once it's finally on, you probably won't even see most of the dash with the way it's set up, but do something with that. Showed you the interior already. Steering wheel. I'll actually kind of sit up there like that. This fits. This is kind of hard trying to do it through the camera. So it kind of fits in there like that. So anyway, that's the next project. So hopefully this will go fairly quickly. And we'll see what happens with it. So I hope everybody's doing well, and I will talk to you all real soon. Everybody have a wonderful week, and stay safe, everybody. Bye.